This was the scene in my backyard yesterday. I was trying to unscrew our hose from the garden spigot, but because the pipe had become brittle over time, the whole thing shattered. So, let's fix it. First step, shut off the water supply. This valve only stopped the flow to the house, not the garden spigot, so I had to shut off the water at the street. I'm not turning the valve in this shot because I already turned it off earlier. Once the water is stopped, trim the broken end of the pipe. There is a convenient pipe cutting tool available at the hardware store, but in this case, I'm using a little hacksaw I had on hand. Good enough. At the hardware store, I found this nice brass spigot. To connect the spigot to the pipe, I'll use this 90-degree elbow, which has a threaded male side and a female slip fitting on the other end. We are working with 3/4-inch fittings here. Applying a layer of plumber's DAP will create a watertight seal. A combination of PVC primer and cement will bond the plastic pieces together. First, apply the primer. Then, apply the cement. Quickly attach the elbow to the pipe and apply pressure to ensure a good fit. It'll be dry in about 15 minutes. After 2 hours, it's completely cured and done. Thanks for watching.